All right. Okay, hello. My name is Oti Edema. I'm a certified blockchain expert and ICO advisor and also ICO founder. I'm going to meet a very special person today, Mr. Eugene, who is the founder of Freldo Limited. As you know, Freldo, they are conducting an ICO, and I want to meet with the founder to ask him a couple of questions to enable us gain more insight into the ICO and why the ICO. Hello, Eugene. Thank you for coming today.
Hi, Oti. Thank you to have me here.
Okay, all right. As you know, we're going to ask you a couple of questions. And the first question I would like to talk to you about is the purpose of the ICO. Okay, as you know, all ICO, they develop in order to build funds or to get funds to develop a decentralized application. I'm talking about the DApp, okay? And sometimes I'm going to infrastructures. So what does Freldo do?
Okay, Freldo is a social business network which connect customers and small businesses. And our idea, it's network built on trust. So it's a network for people who take advice and suggestion to found small businesses from their close friends' reviews. So our network, it's network for friends. The word Freldo comes from the word friend. Our slogan is trust your friend. And in our network, people can find small businesses and use this small business make order, but only from a suggestion of a close friend. And we started ICO, and we want to integrate cryptocurrency wallets in our business network. We wanted to integrate Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Freldo coin as well. Our project, it's existing project. It's founded in 2011 and it's working from 2016. Currently, we accept PayPal, credit cards, checks, and we just want to enter to blockchain market, integrate cryptocurrency wallets, and make smart contract on our network and make it centralized.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and we appreciate that. So you mean Freldo already as a business? Okay, it's already existing business, and you have been trading for for some time now. Okay, and do you have any amount that has been traded in your platform?
Yes, so Freldo is working business. It exists 2 years. Freldo has 10,000 live clients, and for this year we make a transaction for $6 million.
Oh, that's incredible. That's very great and huge. So now the next step now is you taking Freldo into the blockchain to make also right, to be able to accept cryptocurrency in your network. Okay, that's very great. Another question I have here for you is that in every project, as you know, the team are very important for the success of the ICO or for that project. Okay, so can you talk about how the team come together and collaborate in this project?
Okay, Freldo is a Canadian company. It's registered in Toronto, Canada, and I have a very experienced Canadian team. So you can see on our page all programmer with has a senior position. We have in team members working in the banks, in insurance companies, in telecommunication companies. So they have large, more than 20 years experience in development. And also in our advisor team, we have a lot of advisors who are familiar with blockchain technology. And our goal to in ICO to hire more blockchain specialist and programmer to integrate smart contracts and cryptocurrency in our network.
Okay, that's very fantastic. Okay, as I can say, when I went through your website and your white paper, I found that you got team with huge experience there, or from different background. Like you said, you have a senior technical consultant, enterprise data architect, lead developer, consultant, technical lead, and also your advisors were picked from wide range. And it's my pleasure to be joining as one of the advisors. Okay, I have another question for you with reference to your white paper. Okay, in your white paper, you said that Freldo is growing rapidly in the US and Canada, okay, and that the positive trend is due to numbers of reasons. Can you tell us the reasons for this growth?
Okay, the reason for this growth because our network, it's network of close friends. So we are growing by one clients invite their friends as existing clients, and we have very good invitation system in our network. So it's working word of mouth communication, and also through other social network like Facebook, LinkedIn, so people is coming. Currently, we are started from Canada and the United States, but we are not limited in these countries. We want to grow. We want to go to Europe. We want to go to the Asia. We want to open offices in London, in Paris, in Rome. So every country has friends. And our business network is network of the friends. So, and other countries should make beneficial from our network as well.
All right, that's quite interesting again. I wanted to point to this because I found out also on your white paper that you said Freldo has been in the in US and Canada. So it was my intention to also ask you, are you limited to US and Canada? But just as you said, you're not limited to US and Canada alone. You are going global. You started there and you're expanding. And the purpose of this ICO tool is to enable you to expand globally. And this will be a very good project, as I can say it. What we are doing now is to look at Freldo from the business perspective. Okay? And that raises another question, which I want to ask you from your white paper, because you said Freldo is a symbiosis for a social networking. Can you explain what that means?
Okay, so the best way communicate with the friends. So friends, it's social. Okay, so it's come from society. So when we wanted to build network of friends, so we go to the social network. So it has two meanings. First of all, you can friends and you have businesses, but it's not completely business side. So you can communicate with your friends like a regular social network, but only difference is what it should be your close friends, friends who you know personally, and your friends which you trust. So the trust, it's main idea of our network, because you can find many other networks like Facebook, where you have 3,000 contacts, but you never seen these people. You don't know if you should trust their advisors. And in our network, it's only close friends. And you can use us social network and make orders and discounts from businesses which your friends know personally.
Okay, that's good. So from the give you are doing, I can say that you're saying that Freldo, they give rewards. And you also have affiliate programs in there, and you have a search service, which is the most important there, the search service and also the rating. And you talk about the rating, that this rating are genuine rating. What do you mean by that? Because I know on websites, a lot of people can just invite people, pay for rating, and give themselves 5/5, 5 star, 5 star, 5 stars. Don't you think this can also happen at Freldo?
Okay, Freldo, it's a combination of friends and businesses. Okay, and you friends using businesses and give rating for service from this business. So after every work was done for your friend, client write a review and give points. And you can easily check and compare. For example, you need electrician, and 3 of your friends has electrician in their business network, but one is have 5 stars, second 4.3, and second 3.8. So it's easy for you to choose and read review about these businesses in your friend's profile.
Okay, I see that. And what I want you to also talk about is why blockchain? This is the big question, you know, when people are going to ICO, and when businesses are talking about ICO, we want to know why blockchain, why moving into the blockchain, what benefit will the blockchain make to your existing business? Okay, so blockchain.
Yes. Okay, when you receive service with somebody, okay, it's not like product. When you buy something on eBay, you see the product picture, and same you go to get by mail to your home. But when you get service, until service is done, you don't know if it's quality work or not quality work. And smart contracts and blockchain technology protect customer in this way. So when you pay for somebody, you don't need to pay upfront. You don't need to pay any deposit. You use smart contract and transfer fund to smart contract. And if service done well, so you will receive what you need and quality work. So the smart contract release funds to the service provider. But if not, if you will get not qualified work, you will get payment back. So the smart contracts and the blockchain bring additional protection for clients, which currently not exist on the offline market. Because our network is for offline people like electrician, plumbers, hairdressers, and currently these services not have such protection like blockchain technologies have now.
Okay, that's quite a good one too. Okay, so you mainly try to introduce the blockchain in order to take advantage of the smart contract, and whenever any transactions, all transactions will be based on the smart contract. And when there is a service provided by a client or one of your customers, so I mean the business is there, okay, the smart contract will be written or whenever the job is done perfectly, and then fund can be released to the client. Okay, we'll get that. Now, another thing again is that investors are very particular to token listing date. Okay, they want to know when your token will be listed, and what type of exchanges are you going to list, or which exchange you've communicated with to list, because these are very important for most investors. So what do you have to say? Do you have any word for them?
Yes, for investors, I wanted to say that first of all, it's established Canadian company. It's existing product, and we will finish our ICO on September 17, and we have pre-listed agreement with different exchange like CoinSquare, for example. It's a Canadian exchange, IDEX, LaCoin, and we continue negotiation with different exchange as well.
Okay, thank you very much. And thank you very much, Mr. Eugene. So we say that Freldo, they are launching an ICO with the goal to expand their social network worldwide and implement blockchain technology to provide users with the transparency and also safe transaction in the network. And they have also negotiated with a lot of exchanges. So the token or the art token would be going live on exchanges after the ICO. They will give the date or let us know the date when the token will be going live. So again, it's a pleasure meeting you, and I'm so glad to speak to you one-on-one. And also, I want to thank you too for inviting me into your team as an advisor. I like conducting a short video like this just to get to know the founder and also hear from them what the ICO is all about. We'll be posting this into my LinkedIn and some of my network. I hope this will be all right.
Thank you very much for having me here, and please check our ICO and our network, Freldo.com. Thank you very much.
Okay.